Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. Some of the Colorado off-road trailer. We just got in a 6x12 that is available. Now this was technically a special order, but unfortunately they needed a bigger trailer because they bought a bigger UTV. So this one has all of our goodies on it other than a roof vent and a roof rack and ladder. So wanted to let you guys know right now. And you guys can view all of our inventory always at coloradotrailersinc.com. Send us an email, sales@coloradotrailersinc.com, and we ship. So if you guys aren't here, no worries, just give us a call. We'll get you a shipping quote and get this delivered to your door. Now again, this one is in our 6x12 matte gray. It's got the thicker aluminum skin on it, and then you guys can see it does have two outside party lights. You have the side door that's been moved back, so this is going to be a great unit if you guys want to do a build out. You've got plenty of space up there in the front to add cabinets or do your thing. Extra tall diamond plate rock guard. You still have the generator box and platform, side swivel jack, removable front coupler. Like I said, that's all the same setup. It is generator ready, as you do have that twist lock plug right there as well. RV lock and cam bar on your side door, plus you've got a step. This sits up tall. You've got about 19 inches worth of ground clearance with these units, so that step comes in handy. 3,500 pound torsion axle, 32-inch Mudterrain tire. This does have a brake on it as well, and then you have an exterior GFI outlet right there. Drop down stabilizer jacks underneath, which is great for that extra stability when you guys want to drop from your vehicle and be in and out of the trailer. Rear ramp door, of course, you can load and unload your toys, has the rear deck option on it, and then you've got two nice little LED load lights up there as well. Interior is insulated. You do have an insulated walls and ceiling in here. And then of course it's all finished out and lined out like normal. You do have a battery box, battery charger. There's your 30 amp box as well, so you can plug right in. 4 D-rings in the floor. AC unit with a heat strip. Ooh, you've got extra puck lights. Normally we only run 4. This has 6. So you do have 6 puck lights on each side. Come inside here so you guys can get a better angle. There we go. 2 of our windows are regular slider windows with screens. You've got light switches up here to control everything. Outlets down here on this wall. 2 on this wall. You've got another outlet here, plus another one up front. There's those 2 more additional D-rings. And then you also have 1 overhead 4-foot LED light in here, with it being a 6x12. Here is your light switch for your load lights off the back. And then spin around and get you guys a good shot this way. So again, this unit is missing a roof rack and ladder. You're missing a roof vent, but you got everything else. So great trailer overall. And again, you guys check us out at coloradotrailersinc.com. Send us an email, sales@coloradotrailersinc.com. Give us a call, 303-688-8485. And if you're watching us on YouTube, be sure to like and subscribe.